Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. If you like the videos in this channel, please subscribe the channel and enable the bell icon next to it. And don't forget to like, comment and share the video if you found it useful. Okay, now let's go to the video.
Today's video is about the syllabus of Staff Selection Commission CGL Tier 1 examination. Now look into the subjects: General Intelligence and Reasoning, General Awareness, Quantitative Aptitude, English Comprehension. Total number of questions of subjects 25, maximum marks 50. Time allowed is 1 hour. Tier 1 examination will consist of objective type multiple choice questions. The questions will be set both in English and Hindi except for English comprehension. And there will be negative marking of 0.50 for each wrong answer. Now look into the detailed syllabus of the subjects. First is General Intelligence and Reasoning. It would include questions of both verbal and non-verbal type. This component may include questions on analogies, similarities and differences, space visualization, spatial orientation, problem solving, analysis, judgment, decision making, visual memory, discrimination, observation, relationship concept, arithmetical reasoning and figural classification, arithmetic number series, non-verbal series, coding and decoding, statement conclusion, syllogistic reasoning, etc. The topic are semantic classification, symbolic or number classification, figural classification, semantic series, number series, figural series, problem solving, word building, coding and decoding, numerical operations, symbolic operations, trends, space orientation, space visualization, Venn diagrams, drawing, inferences, whole or pattern, folding and unfolding, figural pattern, folding and completion, indexing, address matching, date and city matching, classification of center, codes or roll numbers, small and capital letters, number coding and decoding, classification, embedded figures, critical thinking, emotional intelligence and social intelligence. Next main subject is General Awareness. In this session, questions in this component will be aimed in testing the candidate's general awareness of the environment around him and its application to society. Questions will also be designed to test knowledge of current events and of such matters in everyday observation and experience in their scientific aspect as may be expected of any educated person. The test will also include questions relating to India and its neighboring countries, especially pertaining history, culture, geography, economic scene, general policy and scientific research. Next subject is Quantitative Aptitude. The questions will be designed to test the ability of appropriate use of numbers and number sense of the candidate. The scope of the test will be computation of whole numbers, decimals, fractions and relationships between numbers, percentage, ratio and proportion, square roots, averages, interest, profit and loss, discount, partnership business, mixture and allegation, time and distance, time and work, basic algebraic identities of school algebra and elementary surds, graphs of linear equations, triangles and its various kind of centers, congruence and similarity of triangles, circle and its chords, tangents, angles subtended by chords of a circle, common tangents to two or more circles, triangles, quadrilaterals, regular polygons, circle, right prism, right circular cone, right circular cylinder, sphere, hemispheres, rectangular, parallel piped, regular right pyramid with triangular or square base, trigonometric ratio, degree and radian measures, standard identities, complementary, angles, heights and distances, histogram, frequency, polygon, bar diagram and pie chart. And the last subject is English comprehension. In this session, they check the candidate's ability to understand correct English. That means his basic comprehension and writing ability, etc. would be tested. In this examination, that means Tier 1 examination, the questions in Part A, B and D will be of a level commensurate with the essential qualification, that means graduation. And the questions in Part C will be of 10th standard level. That is all about the syllabus of SSC CGL Tier 1 examination.
That's all. Hope this video is very useful for you. If you like the video, please like it. Write down your valuable comments, suggestions and queries. Share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please support by subscribing the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.